We express this deep concern over the continuous pattern of Muslim-Christian tickets and leadership combinations which have over time neglected the opinion of a Christian Muslim ticket, despite the population commitment and contribution of Christians to the success of the party governance in Osun State. We reaffirm that the Christian community in Osun has remained loyal to parties and deserve equal opportunities to serve and lead in alignment with the constitutional principle of equity, fairness, and justice in the state. We therefore call on all parties and the leadership, all parties at both the state and national level to urgently revisit its political balancing approach and to adopt a Christian-Muslim ticket in future elections and appointments. We emphasize that our demand is not religious confrontation, but a democratic appeal for fair representation and mutual respect among all faith communities in Osun State.
What we are saying is, the governance in Osun State has always been tailored towards one particular religion. When you look at the section of the civilian administration, starting from Baba Kode and thereafter, then we are saying, even if at all, yes, Aregbesola was there, yes, Oyetola was there, then it is time for Adeleke. What happened to the Christian body? Does it mean we don't have candidates? Yes, we do. But because at the end of the day, you just see that they are just sidelined, and we don't want that to happen again. That is why we are coming out to say it is Christian time to take the mantle of leadership in Osun State. And enhance
and national lack of understanding.
Nobody is underrated. I don't have anything against that.